Hello everyone, my name is Bethany and I am with Valley Drug Test and I am a drug and alcohol coordinator. We are a third-party consortium TPA with hundreds of clients all over the country that are motor carriers. In this video, we are going to go over how to be able to register as an employer in the Clearinghouse. You must start this process by logging into FMCSA portal. A little bit about ourselves. We are located in Fresno, California, and have drug testing network collection sites nationwide. We can help you set up your DOT random program accounts for your carrier anywhere in the United States and get your drug tests scheduled in your own city. Now, at Valley Drug Test, we do have a different couple services that we provide for the DOT drug testing, which would be pre-employment, post-accident, random testing, reasonable suspicion, return to duty, and follow-ups. And you can also, as soon as you're done with the enrollment application, we can enroll you the same day. And at the beginning of January 1st of 2020, there was a little bit of changes for the random drug testing. So there was an annual percentage rate for random controlled substances. It was 25%, but they had changed it to 50%. And for the alcohol, it still remains at 10%. Now let's go ahead and get started with the FMCSA portal registration process. Now, once you get to this page, you are going to see the link above and you can go ahead and click it. And once you get to this link, this page is going to pop up. And once you get to this page, you can go ahead and register and click the link where it says here. And once you press it, it's going to take you to this page. And once you get to this step, you can go ahead and click the company employee button and you can proceed to the next page. And once you get to this page, you are going to need to enter your DOT number and your PIN. Once you enter all that information, you are going to go to the available roles and click the DACH Motor Carrier Admin and add it to the role. And once you add it to the role, you're good to go. And the reason for the request, you can go ahead and put Clearinghouse and proceed to the next page. Now, once you get to this step, you're going to need to enter your personal information, which is going to be your first name, last name, email, verify your email, your user ID, password, and to verify your password. Now, on the right side of the page, you are going to have 3 security identification questions. So you can go ahead and select which ones you want to use and enter your answers, but be sure to write down your answers so you don't forget them. And once you're done with this step, you can go ahead and proceed to the next page. Once you're here, you are going to need to enter your work information, so which is going to be the address, the city, the state, the postal code, country, phone number, a fax, if you have one, the company legal name, the job title, and your preferred contact method. Once you input all this information, you can proceed to the next page. When you get to this step, it's going to be all the terms and conditions, so you can go ahead and click all 3 of the boxes and press submit. Now your account is all done and confirmed, so now let's go ahead and begin with the explanation of the Clearinghouse. The Clearinghouse is a secure online database that contains records of violations of FMCSA's drugs and alcohol testing. Now I'm going to show you how to register in the Clearinghouse by walking you through these steps of how to register as an employer, as we already registered in the FMCSA portal. The slides are for the employers with the accounts that's set up in the portal already. Now, once you get to this page, you can go ahead and click the link. And once you click the link, it's going to take you to this page. So once you see this page, you can go ahead and click the go to login.gov. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now you're going to need to create an account. So you can scroll down and click the create an account link. And once you click it, it's going to tell you to enter an email. But you need to enter a valid email because it is going to send you a verification email. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and confirm your email address. And once you confirm your email address, you're going to need to make a password. And the password needs to be 12 characters long, and it needs to be a strong enough password. So once you go ahead and you're done with the password, go ahead and press continue. And once you continue with that step, you're going to need to do the authentication method. So in this step, you have a couple different options you can choose from. I would personally recommend choosing the phone option because it's the quickest and the easiest way. So you can go ahead and click the phone option and continue. And once you continue, it is going to send you a security code to your phone. And once you get the code, you can go ahead and enter it in and submit it. Once you submit it, you are going to need to do the second authentication step, so you can go ahead and repeat steps 6 and 7 to get your second method set up. You can go ahead and press continue. Now you have created your login.gov account. Click the continue to return to the Clearinghouse website and complete your Clearinghouse registration. And once you go ahead and click that, it is going to bring you to this page to select your role. And once you get to this page, you are going to need to select employer. This is really important. You select employer. And once you select employer, right under it is going to say, are you covered by DOT drug and alcohol testing regulations? If you're not sure, you can go ahead and click the find out link. And once you do that and you're good to go, you can select next. Now, once you select next, it's going to bring you to the FMCSA portal account. And you're going to click, yes, I have an FMCA portal account, and you can go ahead and click next. But if you don't have one, you can go ahead and select that I don't have an account, but you should because that's what we showed you in the beginning of the video. So once you hit next, you are going to need to enter the user ID and your password for the FMCSA portal. So once you log in, it is going to show you all of your contact information, and all this information was brought up from the portal. But if you need to review any of your information or make any changes, you need to sign back into the FMCSA portal to make any changes. And if you reviewed it and everything's okay, you can go ahead and select next. And once you select next, you are going to see the administration. So once you get to this point, you're going to select administration. So you're going to need to put which company you're going to register first. And if you have more than one company, you are going to need to register them separately. So once you go ahead and select your company, you can go ahead and select next. And once you get to this point, you need to review your company's information. You will need to indicate whether you are the owner-operator, that is an employer, or the employee himself has a CDL license, typically the single driver operation. So you can go ahead and review this information, and at this point you need to select either yes, I am the operator, or no, I am not the owner operator. And once you have your selection select, you can go ahead and select no. Next, sorry. And so if you're working with a consortium or third party, which it could be us, the Valley Drug Test, you're going to need to go ahead and select which drug testing place you're going to pick. So you can go ahead and search them up. And once you search them up, you can select next. And once you select next, this is going to bring you to this page, and this will generate a list of registered consortium/TPAs that match your search terms. Locate your consortium or TPA in the list and click designate on the appropriate line. Go ahead and click it. And it's going to bring you to this page, and for this one, it's going to designate the prompted authorization to perform specific functions on your behalf. The function available for the selection is the report violations, report return to duty information, and conduct queries. Once you have finished designating and authorizing them to perform the functions, click next. This will send a request to the consortiums or the TPAs and confirm your designation. And once you get to this step, it is the clearinghouse terms, and you can go ahead and read that. And once you read that, you can go ahead and click the box that it says you agree, and you can click it and hit agree, and it will take you to the next page. And that was our last and final step for registering for the clearinghouse. And once you get to this page, you can go ahead and select your profile. And if there's some stuff missing that you need to add, you can go ahead and click the links and put it in there. And lastly, if you have any questions or if you need to get in contact with us, you can go ahead and email us at contactus@drugtestvalley.com. Thank you.